If you have issues with the clock face on the lock screen on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, in order to try to fix it, first of all we can open settings. Now over here we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to home and lock screen, and then we're gonna go to the lock screen option. After that we should be able to find show clock face, which of course we want to make sure that it is enabled. If it's off, you want to simply turn it on. Now, besides that, in lock screen settings, we can also customize the lock screen. And here at the bottom, you might want to change the notification type, because if you have list, then you will have just one fixed clock that is most likely in the upper left corner on the lock screen. And if you switch to chip or bubble, you will have a proper clock face that you can set up, of course, in settings. So you might want to switch the notification type to one of these options. Now, of course, if you made any change, remember to use this check in the upper right corner to save your changes. Besides that, if that didn't help as well, another thing that you can do is you can go to apps in here in this menu. And then in apps, we should be able to see all apps in here. There we go. And now you can try to find the Glance app. So you can scroll down to try to find Glance app. In my case, I don't have it. You can also make sure that you have it by tapping on these three dots, and you can choose to show system apps. This allows you to see all those hidden system apps as well. And you can of course try to find the Glance app in here. In my case, I still don't have it, so I can't really show you specifically. But essentially you can go to that app, let's say this is the Glance app, and you can disable it in here. Besides that, you can also search for the Personalize app. There we go, this is the one that we are looking for. This one you will probably have it. And what you can do is you can go to storage and cache, and you can clear cache or clear storage. So if you can clear storage, you want to do that. And if you cannot clear storage for some reason, you can just clear cache. And you might need to make changes in the personalization settings again. So if you see some changes here and there, you can go to personalize again and set everything up as you used before. And hopefully now you should be able to have a proper clock face on the lock screen on your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Leave a like and subscribe.